What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DEVINTAGE, man, back on that video. I'm doing some illegal stuff right now. I'm driving and trying to vlog. I see a lot of people do it. I guess you're very talented, man. Kudos to you for pulling it off every time you start off your vlog. You know what I'm talking about, man. But today I'm about to run up to the mall to see if they got any extra Adidas YEEZY 350 V2 Earths. I thought it was very dope. I did not even know that they would be releasing this soon. I seen early photos of this shoe a while ago. Not even a while ago, maybe early February, I'll say. And I was like, man, these is dope. I was talking to my homeboy. He was like, they give him like some Oxford 10 vibes, you know what I'm saying, for the V1s that dropped a long time ago. But I took an L, of course. When they told me and sent me a notification for, you know, putting in for the raffle and foot action, I think, yeah, Finish Line or Finish, I think it was Finish Line. Finish Line told me put in a raffle, but by the time I did it, they kept sending me error messages and stuff like that. This is something that I guess we got to get used to with these apps, you know, crashing all the time and stuff. But I did not expect that to happen with these V2 Earths, man. I thought there was gonna be another one of those Yeezys that, you know, everybody was like, oh, I don't really need them. Not a lot of resale value in the shoe. But I checked StockX a couple of minutes ago, and it was going for like $300 in the size 9. And you already know, if people see $300, they're like, oh, they retail for $220, so let me go ahead and make this $80 profit. You know what I'm saying? So I was already looking on Facebook groups trying to get me a pair, give me a size. So I kind of already accepted that I took an L today. But this is a shoe that I really want. I ain't been copping a lot of shoes, you guys do know. Y'all ain't seen a lot of reviews. Whoa. Y'all ain't seen a lot on feet and stuff like that, because ain't nothing been coming out really here in San Antonio. But hopefully I get lucky with some of these releases later on down the line. Hopefully y'all see a lot more early reviews and stuff like that. But it's looking real slow lately on the channel because it just ain't been getting my hands on anything. But my boy told me I gotta put in that leg work. I gotta put in that work to get this content out for you guys. So I guess that is a little bit of my fault why y'all haven't been seeing anything. But y'all can stay tuned for a lot of stuff coming down the line. Please don't give up on your boy DEVINTAGE, man. I'm telling y'all, I've been having a lot of ideas and stuff like that, but me with the ideas, I gotta put in the work to actually, you know what I'm saying, make them come to light, man. So that is my fault. Y'all ain't been seeing no reviews, no feeds, no content in general this last week. Like I said earlier today and earlier this week, I've been doing a lot of homework, a lot of finals and stuff like that. I had a little break from college, and it seemed like I didn't get a break at all because your boy was back doing something else. Like something else came up to where it took precedence over the YouTube channel, man. So I apologize for that. But today I'm going to see if they got any extra pairs of these Oxford 10s. See, I'm calling them Oxford 10s already. That's a better name for them, I feel like. I don't want to call them the Earths. I don't know. They don't look nothing like the Earth. I don't get it. But you know, Yeezy and his weird names like the Yee Chows, the Yeez Reels. We got a lot of different weird names from Kanye. But like I said, we're going to go up here and see if they got them. And I'm already, like I said, I know I took the L. So we're gonna go to the container store. I'm gonna pick up a box of containers because you guys do know, go check out my last video on my live stream. You see all the shoes under the drop front. So I'm like, I gotta change that up. Your boy gotta get some more boxes every once in a while. You kind of get away from getting them because they're like $60. You're like, whoa, $60 every time is like kind of pricey if you think about it. But that is something I wanted to do. All last year was get all my shoes to the drop fronts. I told you guys when I move back to the States, blah blah blah, I'm gonna get all my shoes in the drop fronts. But that took a little hold. I was buying a lot of shoes, so I was putting a lot more shoes. I put a lot more money in my shoes rather than getting my whole sneaker room set up and stuff like that. It's looking good so far, but I have a lot of shoes in my closet, a lot of shoes on my couch. So I gotta go ahead and make that change over to all drop fronts in the sneaker room, man. So hopefully by the end of March or even April, I will have all my shoes in drop front containers, man. So you guys stick with me. You guys gonna see the whole room. Y'all see I put the LED lights and stuff in there. It's looking very good so far, man. So y'all stay tuned. And if y'all ain't like the video yet, man, please like that video. That's all I ask for you guys is the likes, man. It shows YouTube you guys are really enjoying the content, man, and it shows me you guys are enjoying it too. Nothing makes me more happy than when I see you guys liking the videos, man. So the goal for every video, I always say, is over 100 likes, man. All it takes is 1 second for you to hit that like button, man. So please hit that like button. I know I'm talking a lot, but I haven't seen you guys in a whole week. I haven't talked to you guys. I haven't dropped a video. I haven't went live or anything. So I guess I can talk a little bit today, man. I've been working on some merch. I know you guys have been seeing the logo in the video at the end of the videos. Sometimes I post it up on my story on Instagram. So you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you go follow me at DEVINTAGE World. that logo that got DW and V, man. I'm gonna rock with that. I got in touch with a graphic designer. I was like, man, I want to make something creative, something that a lot of people don't have as far as the design and stuff like that. So spent my money and got that design made. I thought it was very, very dope, and I cannot wait to put that on some official merch, man. I think it's gonna be so dope, and I think that the turnout's gonna be very well with the design and stuff like that, and the merch for the channel. All right, guys, we back at the crib, man. I got the box of containers. I'm gonna pick a couple of the shoes that I want to put in there. I got a lot of shoes I'm gonna show you guys right now. It's kind of an informal video, I'm sorry. It's pretty much just talking to you guys, letting you guys know what's been going on, let you guys know some of the releases I'm looking at. But I have a lot of shoes down here, which I'm gonna show you guys. Check it out. A lot of shoes, man. Check it out, check it out. And I still have shoes all on my couch right here, as you can see. So you guys should know one box is not enough to fill up all the shoes that I have. And I still have like about 30 pair of shoes in my closet as well, man. So we're gonna take these out. I'm gonna set up a couple of shoes that I want to put in there. It's only 6 boxes, but you got to do it in moderation, man. You can't just go and drop $1,000 on crates, because that's gonna put a major hole in your pocket, man. So just get you one at a time, you know what I'm saying? Then you can start filling up all your shoes in the drop front containers, man. So I'm gonna be right back, put all the shoes in these 6 drop fronts, and then I'm gonna wrap the video up, man. So I'll put a couple other shoes in there right now. As you can see, man, I put in the Air Jordan 3 Unites, put my DMP 6s up here, put my Black Cat 4s in there, which you can barely see, man, but very dope shoe. I put my Blue to Greats that I picked up from the Goat app right here, check it out. And I put my Shattered Backboard lows up here, man. But as you can see, I still have a lot of shoes to still put in there, and I will show you guys my closet, but it's kind of dirty, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. But yeah, man, this is just the start of it all. Still got to get a lot more drop fronts. It's gonna fill up the whole wall right here, as you can see, and I'll be able to move all these together to make it look more fuller with the more drop fronts, as you guys can see right now, man. So I appreciate everybody for tuning in right now to this video. Let me know right now in the comment section below if you have started switching over to all drop fronts in your collection, and let me know right now in the comment section below if you hit on those Travis Scott dunks that dropped yesterday via the raffle system that he did on his website, man. I try to get on the link, but I can never get through to actually put in for the raffle. So a big L for me. Like I said, it's been a lot of L's coming along for your boy DEVINTAGE, man, but I know everything will get back right. Your boy gonna start hitting on a lot more sneakers, and I'll be able to give you guys a lot more reviews and on feats that you guys love to see, man. I appreciate all of the support. Thank you for tuning into this video of me just talking and me just rambling to you guys. It really means so much. Can't wait to read the comments under this video, engage and interact with all you guys. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe, like the video right now, and follow me over on Instagram at DEVINTAGEWorld. The link will be in the description box below. As always, you guys already know how we do, and let me know any content you guys want to see entwined into the channel, man. Everything helps. All support helps the channel, and just know your boy DEVINTAGE is always looking for those new ideas that you guys want to see on the channel, man. So I appreciate all of the support. Thank you guys for tuning into this video, and with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.